These game day chicken wings are so easy, crispy, and full of flavor. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make baked crispy taco ranch chicken wings. Stay tuned. This chicken wing recipe is so easy, and it only takes 4 ingredients. I have a family pack of chicken wings that I cleaned, dried, and cut the tips off, but you can also leave them on if you like. I have a good bit of chicken wings here, so I'm adding in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, giving the wings a good toss to get evenly coated. We only have 2 ingredients left, and that's for the coating and flavor. I have 1 packet each of taco and ranch seasoning, and that's it, giving that a good mix. I'm using all the seasoning mix that I made, but this just depends on how many wings you have. Sprinkling over the chicken wings and giving everything a good toss. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my sheet pan lined with foil and a baking rack. This really helps to make the chicken wings crispy because the heat reaches all sides and the juices run off. If you don't have a baking rack, no worries. You can still use a foil-lined pan and then drain off any juices about halfway through the cooking. And if you have an air fryer, all the better. The taco ranch chicken wings are going into the oven for 40 minutes or until crispy and done. And these are the chicken wings right out of the oven. They smell so good. Serving tonight with some celery and jalapenos. I love the flavor of the taco and ranch seasoning together. The taco ranch wings are juicy and crispy and full of flavor. You could also use a spicy hot taco seasoning for a little kick. I hope you give these easy taco ranch chicken wings a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!